you might not know about Justin. Justin's one of those dudes that, like, if you saw him, he fits the build of the big, huge dude with the beard that's been there and done that overseas, probably carried the big gun, and then went on to do a bunch of other really impressive stuff that you would want him on your team. That's Justin. And he's living a purpose-driven life as well, going towards, again, I'll let him say it best, but the coordination of all the different elements that need to be there to respond effectively. He's teamed up with Mobilize Rescue System. This is our giveaway next week, so make sure you're here. What's awesome about Mobilize Rescue System? Simple. It comes with an app. It comes with a code that you get in here. You go in, you log in, you get the code, you put it in the app so that you can get the updates and all that kind of stuff. And then that way, I'm thinking about Ross. He goes to this event, and worst case scenario, he's got his youngest. He can hand the app. The app asks you, are you bleeding? I can't do the app because of my phones. Are you bleeding? Yes, I'm bleeding. Touch where it is. It tells you what you need, tells you what you need to do. And then within, everything is color-coded. If it tells you need a tourniquet, you grab the tourniquet. It gives you instructions on how to do it. And again, that app also comes in much bigger kits, almost like industrial and institutionalized, I guess is the best way to put it. I would see it, an AED, a fire extinguisher, in one of these kits. And everybody that comes onto that campus or is associated with that company should have the app as part of their welcome package, and get some training on it. That way you make a difference in all the little spots, accumulate them all over the place. Everybody's got the app. Worst case scenario, someone throws you one of these with one of those patches that's sewn into it, and you know what you got, and you take care of your business. Justin's been affiliated with them. He'll be here next week. And again, Mobilize Rescue Systems, HISS, there's some of the people that are helping us do what we can do here.